Okay, students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed about the rational number, addition of rational number, and their properties. First property, closure property of addition for rational number, commutative property of addition for rational number, associative property of addition for rational number, additive identity, and additive inverse. And also we have solved the exercise 1.1 now, and today we will discuss about the subtraction of rational number and their properties. First property is closure property of subtraction for rational number. Second property, commutative property of subtraction for rational number. And third, associative property, associative property of subtraction for rational number. And the fourth property, identity property. 0 is the identity closure property. The subtraction of two rational number is always a rational number. This is the closure property of subtraction for rational number. Commutative property, the subtraction of two rational number in any order does not give the same result. Associative property, in subtraction, associating any three rational number in any group does not give the same result. And fourth property, identity property. It means 0 is subtracted from any rational number. The result is same itself the rational number. This is the identity property of subtraction for rational number. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.2. Verify the closure property of subtraction of the following rational number. Question number, first part, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2 subtract from 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 3 minus 2 upon 4 equal 1 upon 4. Hence, closure property verified. Because 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2, both are rational number, and the result is 1 upon 4. It is also a rational number. So, result is verified. Closure property verified. And question number second, first part, verify the following rational number that the subtraction of rational number is not commutative. 1 upon 7 comma minus 3 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. 1 upon 7 1 upon 7 minus 3 upon 8. 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 8, 56. 7 8 is 56, 8 1 is 8, plus 8 7 is 56, 7 3 is 21. This is equal to 29 upon 56. This is the equation number first. Now, order will be changed. minus 3 upon 8 minus 1 upon 7. The LCM is 56. 8 7 ja 56, 7 3 ja 21, minus 21, 7 8 ja 56, minus 8. This is equal to minus 29 upon 56. This is the equation number first. This is the equation number first. From the equation number first, this is the equation number second. From the equation number first and second, the results are not same. So it is verified rational numbers that are the subtraction of rational number is not commutative. Subtraction of rational number is not commutative. Right here, from equation first and second, subtraction of rational number does not commutative. Does not commutative. Now, other part you will do yourself. Question number 3. Verify the following rational number that the subtraction of rational number is not associative. Verify. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Verify the following rational number that the subtraction of rational number is not associative. Minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, comma 5 upon 9, comma minus 7 upon 9, minus 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 9, minus 7 upon 9, 7 upon 6. Here is given 7 upon 6. 7 upon 6. Minus 2 upon 3, 5 upon 9, minus 7 upon 6. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, minus 6, 9 1 ja 9, minus 5, plus 7 upon 6, minus 14, minus 11 upon 9, plus 7 upon 6. LCM is 18, 22, 6 3 ja 18, 7 3 ja 21, plus 7 upon 6. 6, 18, 22, 6 3 the 18, 3 7 the 21. This is equal to minus 1 upon 18. Now groups will be changed. This is the equation number first, and now group change. Minus 2 upon 3 minus bracket 5 upon 9 minus bracket minus 7 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3 minus bracket 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 6 minus 2 upon 3 minus 18, 9 to the 18, 10 plus 21 minus 2 upon 3 minus 31 upon 18. LCM is 18, 3 6 is 18, 6 2 is 12, minus 12 minus 31. This is equal to minus 43 upon 18. This is the equation number second. From first part, minus 2 upon 3, comma 5 upon 9, comma minus 7 upon 6. First group is with minus 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 9, minus bracket minus 7 upon 6. This is the second group. We solve this first and give the result minus 1 upon 18. Now group will be changed. Minus 2 upon minus 2 upon 3 minus bracket 5 upon 9 and minus 7 upon 6. Minus minus plus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 6. We solve this, the result is minus 43 upon 18. Equation first and second are not, both are not same, so the subtraction of rational number is not associated. From equation first and second, from equation first and second, subtraction of subtraction of rational number is not associated, is not associative, hence verified. Hence verified. Other part you will do yourself. Now question number 4. Subtract the following: minus 32 upon 13 from minus 6 upon 5. Question number 4, first part. Minus 32 upon 13 from minus 6 upon 5. We first write minus 6 upon 5. Minus 6 upon 5 minus bracket minus 32 upon 13. There is minus sign before the bracket. So minus is multiplied to minus. This will become plus 6 upon minus 6 upon 5 plus 32 upon 13. The LCM of 5 and 13, 65. 65 divided by 5, we will get 13. 13 multiplied minus 6 minus 78. 13 divided 65 divided by 13, you will get 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. Now 78 minus from 160, we get 2 5 8 82. 82 upon 65. The result is 82 upon 65. Similarly, other parts you will do yourself. Now, question number 5. Simplify. Simplify. 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 minus 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8. Now take the LCM 12, 6 minus 8. 12, 6, take the LCM 12, 6 and 8. 2, 6, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 2. 2, 3, 3, 1. 3, 1, 1, 1. 2 to the 4 to the 3 is 24. The LCM is 24. 12 to the 24, 2 7 is 14. Minus 6 4 is 24, 5 is 20. 8 3 is 24, 3 1 is 3. So 14 is the positive, minus 20 and minus 3 is the negative. So minus 20 and minus 3 add. 14 minus 23 upon 24. Then 14 opposite sign. So 14 will be subtract from 23. We will get 9 minus 9 upon 24. This is the result. Reduce by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 20. Minus 3 upon 8. This is your answer. question number 5, second part. Four upon 7 minus 8 upon 9 minus 5 upon 3. LCM is 63. 7 9 is 63, 9 4 is 36. 9 7 is 63, 7 8 is 56. 21. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. 36 minus 56 minus 105. Minus 56 minus 105, the same sign, so minus 56 and minus 105 will be add. 36 minus 6 5 11, get 1 6 161 upon 63. Now 36 subtract from 161. 11 minus 5 6 5, 5 minus 3 2 and 1 minus 63. Write down. Okay, students, tomorrow we will discuss about the multiplication of rational number and their properties. Properties of multiplication of rational number. First property is closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative identity, distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, reciprocal of rational number. Tomorrow we will discuss these all properties in detail.